Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. I, Sunil Dutt Sharma, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya Masrak, welcome you all in our today's class. Today we are going to do our next chapter, Jalebis. This story was written by Ahmad Nadeem Kashmi in Urdu and later it was translated in English by Sufia Pathan. And this is in your book, It So Happened for Class 8. As you can see in the picture, there are sweet, crispy jalebis. Has your mouth watered? Yes, I also feel the same. First, you enjoy the story, then you can enjoy the jalebis at home also. So let's start our chapter, Jalebis. Dear students, first of all we will discuss its summary. It will give you listening practice. Your listening skill will be improved. Then you will read the whole story from your textbook. It will give you reading practice. When you will do your comprehension check in your notebooks, then you will get speaking and writing practice. In this way, all the four skills LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing will be improved. So let's start our chapter. Summary of the story. The protagonist, dear students, this protagonist word may be new for you. Protagonist is the main character. The protagonist or the main character of this story is a school-going boy who is in 5th standard. He is an obedient and meritorious student from a reputed family. One day he goes to school with 4 rupees in his pocket in order to pay his school fee. As the teacher concerned, Master Ghulam Muhammad is on leave that day, the boy spends all the 4 rupees in buying jalebis. Actually, the boy is not interested in the jalebis sold in the bazaar, but the coins in his pocket persuade him to buy jalebis with the fee money. The coins suggest that he could pay the fee with the scholarship money that is to be received the following day. On the next day in school, he is informed that the scholarship money would be given the following month. And he is also asked to pay the school fee after recess. With this shocking news, he feels confused and defeated. He is also afraid of his class teacher and runs away from school during lunch break. He goes to the railway station only to spend time till evening. There, sitting under a shady tree, he prays to Allah Mia. He admits his wrong and promises that he will never repeat the same again in future. But he receives nothing from Allah Mia. The next day, also he comes to the same place and starts requesting Allah Mia only for 4 rupees. But he gets nothing. Meanwhile, his parents get the news of his absence from school. We can imagine what happens afterwards. When the boy gets his maturity, he finally understands that if Allah Mia were to provide all for the asking, then man would even today be living in nests like vultures and crows and would not have learnt the art of making jalebis. Moral of the story: look before you leap. Dear students, as I have told you, this story was originally written in Urdu and later it was translated in English. So, in English also, some Hindi or Urdu or Farsi words have been used in this story. Jalebi, Khanak Khanak, Kissa Khatam Paisa Hajam, Halwai, Chacha Jaan, Chabutra, Namaz, Surats, पैसा, चपरासी, क्यों भाई, कढ़ाओ. These are some words of Hindi, Urdu or Farsi used in this story. Dear students, when you will go through the textbook, some words may seem difficult, so I have prepared a list of some word meanings. It may be helpful. Have a glance. Word meanings. Jalebi, sirpi Indian sweet. I hope all of you have enjoyed jalebis. Khanak Khanak, sound of jingling of coins. Kadhau, large open pot for cooking or boiling. Clamor, loud noise. Kissa khatam paisa hazam, end of the story. Blabbering, talking confusedly. Prestige, respect. Persuasion, coaxing. Halwai, sweet meat seller. Chabutra, platform. Assault, attack. Gobbled, eaten quickly. Summoned, cold. Racket, loud noise. Crouching, sitting as if hiding. Virtuous, good and noble. Gully, a narrow lane. Surats, verses from the Holy Quran. Treasury, wealth. Chaprasi, peon. Bismillah, in the name of God. Wazu, ablution, means washing face, hands and feet before praying. Devour, eat greedily. Penniless, without money. Dear students, these word meanings may be helpful when you will read the lesson from the text. After reading the text, you will see in this lesson there are 3 comprehension checks. You will have to answer all the questions and you will write down the questions and answers in your notebooks as your homework. Dear students, first you will try all the question answers on your own. If there is any problem, then you can take help of these answers which I have prepared as model answers. Your answers may vary from mine answers, but take care of your spellings and grammar. Write in neat and clean handwriting and complete your homework as soon as possible. Dear students, in this way we have enjoyed our lesson Jalebis. Now, after completing your homework, you can also enjoy real taste of jalebis by requesting your parents. I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson and you will complete your homework nicely. Okay, dear students, be happy, be safe and keep learning. Thank you.